don't know. This is kickstand rhythm and I'm trying something. Let me go. You don't know. Really have to come and suck your mango, girl. I really want to come and suck your mango, girl. I really want to come and suck your mango, girl. Suck your mango, girl. I want to eat your mango, girl. I want to bite your mango, girl. I want to taste your mango, girl. I want to squeeze your mango, girl. I want to lick your mango, girl. I want to hold your mango, girl. I want to feel your mango, girl. Give me now. When I move in, girl, I move with her out. When I put the mango inside my mouth, the mango juice is running all about. If you see the girl, she break and shout. If you see the girl, she break and shout. With the mango in my mouth, oh the mango in my mouth, got the mango in my mouth. Really wanna suck your mango, girl. Hey, I really wanna suck your mango, girl. Boy, I really wanna suck your mango, girl. Suck your mango, girl. I want to eat your mango, girl. I want to bite your mango, girl. I want to taste your mango, girl. I want to squeeze your mango, girl. Julie mango. Calabash. Hey, then suck your mango, girl. Hey, I like it hot. Yeah, I like it hot. Yeah, I like it hot. Yeah, I like it hot. Hear me now. I'm gonna suck your mango, girl. I wanna taste your mango, girl. Pull back the rhythm, let me go again, girl. Pull back the rhythm, let me go again. Alright, let me go with the rhythm now. Hey, this is what come on here. And this is a little tune I tried, right? So let me go to the top now. Hey. I really want to come and suck your mango, girl. I really have to come and buy your mango, girl. I really want to come and suck your mango, girl. Suck your mango, girl. Eat your mango, girl. Bite your mango, girl. Taste your mango, girl. I want to taste your mango, girl. I want to lick your mango, girl. I want to hold your mango, girl. I want to feel your mango, girl. Hey. If you see I'm moving with my route, when I take the mango and put it inside my mouth, the mango juice looking running all about. You know the girl, she start to bray and shout. The mango inside my mouth. The mango inside my mouth. The mango inside my mouth. I say, Julie, walk it. Julie, walk it. Julie, suck it. Julie, suck it. Calabash doo-doos, sugar mango, calabash doo-doos. Sugar mango, calabash doo-doos. Sugar mango, calabash doo-doos. Sugar mango, I like it hot. Poetry's raw, but, like I like it hot. Poetry's raw, but, you don't know this is what come on here. So that come on tonight, me and stay long, supported it. There's a little topic, quick, and I go on. You hear it now, right? I want to say, Black Friday. Everything is sales on Black Friday. Sale on rum, sale on party, sale anyway. Black Friday this, Black Friday that. So why can't have a Black Friday for food? Why can't have a Black Friday for the poor people? Why can't have a Black Friday with somebody at grocery bar place and then cooking a big thing of food and come Black Friday free give away food? Why you don't have that? Why you don't have that, people? Right, that is one. And two, traffic in Shogunas, traffic in Gasparilla. All the traffic underneath Shogunas, traffic in South. These are the things we need to talk about. These are the things we have to, this is the thing we need to be doing. This is the thing that Rowley and them have to be sitting down and discussing. Not to buy 10 plane, not to Sanders, not to do this, not for Gary Griffin to lock up somebody and camouflage them when Arnold Roberts is a legend. Them. What going on? What going on, Trinidad and Tobago? That is why I come to jam them some music. That is me. I take the beat and let's write a little song and come and show you how bad it is. Question of the night. I ask all you. I was in a crash today. When the three police vehicles get hit. I didn't get to see it because the police them getting vexed or taping it. I went in Grandy police station and I meet somebody in Grandy. Police station and they text on the Facebook with today the last program I do. The girl said I was in Grandy station, man. I tell you, I see you on Facebook. Grandy police station, all you have to listen. And anytime all you send and do what I do, I'm coming back for all you again. I'm coming back there. You understand, bike man? That is what I come about. I not on no shit by them can't touch me. I go and record my song. Now let me tell you a piece of story here. I do a song by a certain studio. I want to call them. You see the song I sing in Real Woman? Real woman, plenty woman. No. When I sing in that song, I get a beat since last year. I do that. Me and Messi and Macamillion and they fighting me long and I went somewhere else. Because Young City taking long and they fighting me long too. So I went and I do this song. But where I do this song is not at top of the Mark studio. They can't mix something properly. So I decided to carry this song. I called Ricochet for Mill Beats. He said send this song my car 3,500 with your beat and X by Y. When I done all the beat, 8,000 to do a song all. My mother sent some money for me. You know he tell me 35. When I call the man and send the song, the man say he get I resend it back. You know the man switch off the phone. When I jam him now and I call the producer today and tell him I'm going somewhere else to do the song, they go charge me X by Y. You know the producer telling me don't carry the song here. I pay for my thing by. Them fellas they want me to go down the road and beat them by Facebook people that locked on here. When I get on tell me if I'm wrong. Why they holding me down so far? You understand? Me a walking no way. Me a getting no money. The little Facebook where people seeing and a talking and a thinking. The little show I doing and the little thinging and thinking. People that try to help me. The God sending money for me. They nasty boy. I don't like them thing. They fighting me down. I go trip off in the Trinidad and Tobago. I'm going to trip off. I'm going to trip off and I'm going to go down by the radio station. Go by the producers. And I see that canal, bend it up in the head. And when I meet Gary Griffin too, let them shoot me. Because he and all too, Adi Rambachan, Mr. Gary Griffin. Tell Gary Griffin, spread the video for him. Tell him I have a dream how I chop out your head. Gary Griffin, I have a dream how I chop out your head. And it's on the ground and I put it in a bag. I dream that. I dream it. Spread the video for Gary Griffin. Come and do me something. What about Adi Rambachan? It is alleged he raped a 4-year-old child. Nasty man Ian and then play keeping it down. But I don't want to hear about Sunu Rambachan by. Watch out Adi Rambachan harassing the girl. Harassing the girl daughter. I have all the texts I put up on Facebook. What them people are going to say about that? The DPP is a nasty man. You understand people? I come here to go in on the beach Sunday to pick up rubbish. To full rubbish in a bag. I and Johan Ned going. I and he start. I and he alone go. And once I go in, Nicky go come and all Jordan here. And we go on the beach and pick up rubbish and to clean Trinidad. Trinidad and Tobago. All they need to know where is energy boy. It has some places in part of the world. They're taking rubbish and they're getting free current. But the nasty TSCT, when they go to line up at TSCT, how much money is paying in current bill? Current is a free thing. Energy free. This nasty tea and tech, we're making all we money by. And robbing we by. We could do energy free. What about them all in our way? Where they're taking all the rubbish. And when they burn it, they get energy by. And giving everybody free current by. They're nasty in Trinidad by. We, Trinidad and Tobago, Rowley and Camlan, everybody who in power, they only want to thief money. That's the whole point about it. Or they let Wakaman get a chance by. Or they help me spread my videos. Or they share me. You realize the Facebook sticking already? Eh? Because they're getting wood. I can't even share my thing. Quite Sunday. Them telling me I can afford to share my video. You understand? And when other people share the video, they're taking it up. Baltimore, big up the Grandie inside. No, with the crash tonight, we'll show all of the police them wrong. Because it's on the Facebook. The police them wrong. What other think? They should be bringing about a law that when police wrongfully do something and hit other civilians on the road and the police wrong, they should take it out from their salary and pay it. And give the police them stipend. That jackass driving the police them doing. Police them going and taking the police vehicle and bullying man wife. I catch them. I see them doing it. Neighbors talk. People talking. People talking earlier. You understand? So I come on for 3 minutes because I wouldn't come on tonight again. I have some important things to do. So I back and back. CBD tablet, $600 for one. I have it for sale. Like for all the boy people who catch an amnesia and stroke and all kind of bacchanal. Right? Right. And question of tonight. The question of tonight. I want to ask all you if all you feel Hazel Manning is enjoying some of the money that Patrick Manning thief. All you put all your comment below. If all they feel so, and if all they feel in time to come, if all they feel Rowley going to in all them people who thief in money, if all they feel they will enjoy it, put the comment below. Right? Why Kamala? I want question after night. Why Madam Kamala not questioning Petrotrin? Why she not debating plenty things? Why Madam Kamala staying quiet on the Petrotrin and about PNM and about the nasty them? What about them things? What about the man they call Mohammed by what's his name by? Let me get his name for you. Key name here. He's a nasty boy, Ronnie Mohammed. Ronnie Mohammed, they made white boys by. What are them looking by? You give them pressure and put them under real stress and under pressure. But they go shit by. Them can't stay hungry. Them fellas, them can't stay hungry by. Them fellas, them like water by. They make paper tiger by. They roll his words than they bite. Sammy spoiled child. Hey! No, they have to talk with the program people. When I'm talking so, they when I'm stressing out. Either boy the stress me thing now. 80 acres of land, they give Ronnie Mohammed it by. Sammy spoiled child. And I went and sing with Kamala and you. With Ria and Nikki. And when Kamala called me back, and Brian Mahamo and them bad talking me, Madam Kamala in the UNC is your people, where is girl. And Sammy spoiled child will be pretty girl when you had the nice girl and she looked nice and thing. Everybody talk about that Sammy spoiled child. When we went with Kamala, Kamala called me in she house and I went with Nikki them. You understand? She not talking, I don't know why. Very good people, very good. I want to ask all you. Rohan Sinanan, you get $1 million from Horace Ramki soon to take the land opposite the LRC, the Learning Resource Center. The land which he gave for back being in the school, Madam Kamala to do a few good things. I have to talk about it. Give Jackie jacket. Rohan Sinanan take it and give Horace Ramki soon and his mama and his nephew and all of them. And I know them good. I will go and film them. Mr. Horace Ramki soon I come in by your sister in Maraval and I come in down the road to film all you. That's what I come in to do. PNM nasty boy. All the financiers them. Black people is only the financiers getting money boy. Look a man call Andy Trace. They give me $10,000. You call me and tell me stop talking about PNM give you up. Kamala never give. Plenty people complain and say Kamala didn't give them nothing. I had somebody here come and they tell me them come in at PNM. Patrick Manning they say put down street light. Patrick Manning would do all them street light and still thief money for call that. Nobody, let me tell you something, partner. Nobody didn't lose their job at Kamala, but the whole country dying. So Kamala will, let me tell you something. Madam Kamala will go in. So when she keep getting that out and the country getting money and the souls going, which one you prefer? Innocent souls to drop every day? Like Kamala say, I'm making a bargain with the devil. Take 10 people dead every day and give me everything I want, give me the country, let the country like me. But you don't think why showing all the buy? Think why showing all the buy? Them is cult buy. And on local supermarket too, I don't give a damn about them buy. I went by eat to sell a big truck. You understand? Play the mango song, I know rider song. I know rider. Yeah, let me tell you something, partner. Kamala is a nice woman, you know. Understand, Madam Kamala, you is a nice lady, look at Almanac Day, but it's the people them, mama, I still love you. But I'll jam you. Because you know why, ma? When I was crying, with tears in my eye, and I say, Madam Kamala, oh God, girl, I don't know what to do. And you call me home by your house, and you give me $500. You tell me you're broken. Kamala, you is a millionaire, girl. SIS give crazy calling me. You hear the voice note I have? Uncle Crazy calling me because you don't want me talk. He's a lick bottom African. Uncle Crazy, keep your studio boy. You are all keep your studio. I don't want to matter all you. When I was nobody didn't do it and helping me. Now you're calling me, but you are a lick bottom African. We got Krishna Lala, give you 2 sons. They give you a van and they promise me and they give me none. I a dog. I must lick you and see bottom and suffer. Boy. Gary Griffin are waiting for you. Sandals, don't worry. All you realizing what going on now. Nutramix, Ronnie Mohammed, your own Nutramix. He is a friend of Rowley. He is the chairman of the EMBD. Right? You give Nutramix 80 acres of land. By this government and them all, come on by. The life must stick. The life must stick. I go on all you. Bye-bye, love all you. Right? Me a time and time, I don't realize and I get in sabotage because me really, I don't want to do what I had to do here. I don't get through. I done jam them already. I done lick up the system. I done all out. All you go up on YouTube and share my song. Bonnie and Allen by. Bun them by. Patty boy. Bun them. Kilos bread. Kilos bread could sell, but the poor people in Trinidad can't sell. Big up to Philip Edward Alexander. When he do something good, I talk about it. I don't give a damn about politics. I don't beg nobody. I go in with my own party and form my own people. When I form my own people, all they have to come to me. Because Lord Chief, I don't beg nobody. Let this go for all the rest of the people who trying to fight Kamla and Rowley. Let them know, Lord Chief, I don't beg nobody, boy. And I will accumulate the whole country. I will take Soca Monarch, I will take Chutney Monarch, and I will lick up the country with songs. And I will release my songs one after one. And I'm going to get this support and not for the traffic in Gasparilla, stop it. For the traffic in Chaguanas, stop it. The hospitals, give everything they want. Hire more doctors, spend the money there. They see with how I am on the road, and everybody running down iron, make rubbish and money. $1 a bag for rubbish, $2 a bag. Everybody go and look for rubbish. Family that are minding 7 children, just like how they're doing iron work, and they walk with it called stink work. They go and they go bring garbage. Because people in the dump. You understand, people? Rubbish. A man say he see a man like Donald Trump have more gold in the dump. When he in the dump, he see a man like Donald Trump with all the golds them. The neighbor across the road put up a wall. Right? They're going mad, destroying Trinidad. People love all you later. My life sticking. Bye-bye, love all you. If all you love me, if all you love God and who like me, let me see who go press share tonight. Who willing to accept God, who willing to accept the truth, who willing to know, because I offend all the church and them. I offend everybody, because that's how Jesus Christ was, Bob Marley and Bruce Lee. And I take up tread underneath them, Marcus Garvey and all of them.